It's the rainbow unicorn. I got the rainbow square. And so we're gonna pop these fidgets and we're gonna go ahead and listen to the satisfying side and the unsatisfying side, and I will tell you on the way. And also there's more fidgets that you can get online, and you can also get other fidgets and other stuff like that, and you can trade them in for other fidgets and stuff like that. But today we're just popping them, and I'm gonna also show you different ways you can pop it. First, we're starting with the rainbow square. Here's the unsatisfying side. It's called the unsatisfying side because you can barely hear it. And the satisfying side, you can hear it. All the pops. And it's very satisfying. So yeah, we're gonna continue. Okay, now we're doing the unicorn. The rainbow unicorn. This is the unsatisfying side. So you can hear it less, but the unicorns is louder, so you can hear it more than the square. So it's gonna be a lot louder than the square. But it's still gonna be satisfying. Okay, so that was it. So, as I said and promised that I would show you different ways to pop it. So you can just do it with one finger, or you can do it with 2 fingers, 3 fingers, or 4 fingers. And you can do it with 5 fingers if you want to, but it's very hard. And also you can do it. Can you hold it with both of your fingers? If you want to, you can do one with both your fingers. You can even do 3 with both your fingers. You can even do 4 with both your fingers. And if you want to, you can even do 5 with your fingers. And that's all the ways you can do it. You can do it any way you like to. That's it. Goodbye. See you all next time. Okay.
What should they do if they like the video?
And make sure to like the video. And subscribe. And hit the notification.